All right, traffic and weather here every 10 minutes, 6:54 this morning, and all eyes right now still in the Atlantic. This is our infrared view of Hurricane Irma, still tracking to the west, and you can see just how much power this storm has with it. Let's take a look at the projected track here, and notice still that Category 5 strength spinning right there, 180-mile-per-hour wind gusts still associated with this. It's going to be doing some damage today as it heads towards Cuba in the Dominican Republic right now. So what we're expecting to have happen, become a Category 4, looks like sometime on Saturday. And then on Sunday, that's when we're going to keep our eyes towards Florida. In fact, let's get a nice close-up view here. Sunday early. Very early Sunday morning, overnight on Saturday is when the projected landfall could happen. Now, when we show these cones like this is the projected track. The storm, the eye of the storm, could be anywhere along this cone right here. It could end up, if it does smack dab in the middle, that's what we don't want to see, because then it'll slide north right there into Florida and be impacting parts of Miami. The further east this goes, the better off Florida is, because then it loses that hurricane strength wind and we have much less damage. Now, if this projection holds, it goes through Florida, gets back in the Atlantic as a Category 3, dumping a lot of rain with it all along the way, and then heads right into the Carolinas. And that's when we're going to start to worry about a storm surge here. A second landfall, we don't want to see that. Look at all this rain associated with this. My goodness gracious. We're up to over 10 to 20 inches. We saw how much rain Texas got with Harvey. Not to that extent, certainly, but we're keeping an eye on that. For this weekend, though, we don't have to worry about that rain. We look good. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, all in the 70s. Can't complain about that. And the rest of next week, that's